Yo everyone, this is Max Chee from Hong Kong, and for this movement control order, so they have a special takeaway set that you can cook at home. And so now let's unbox what's inside this Max Chee delivery set that you can order to your home. Oh my gosh, so this is the Sichuan sauce, and then homemade sauce, their famous pork and prawn dumplings, sea dumplings. 呢個係雲吞啦，呢個係水餃啦。Then their egg noodles, green chilies, and then this is the homemade dark egg. Oh, I didn't know they use dark egg for their flat noodles. No wonder it tastes a bit different. So this is their dark egg tin noodle. Love them. And wow, look at this. So this is their Mac cheese prawn roll. Ha tan. So you know the dry ones that we review on in our blog. So this is the canned version. I think I'll buy after this also. And then on top of that there's so I'm just gonna put out here, and let's see what's more. The noodles, you see all there's like instruction you can need to put in the chiller. Okay, and then so I'll show you guys the food that I ordered from Max Chee. I'm going to put it in the freezer and the chiller, and I'm going to show you on another video that how I'm going to cook them for this one. Okay, thanks for watching guys, and see ya. Bye bye. Bye bye.